Today's video, real quick, we're going to show you how to upload or turn a 3D model into an STL, send it to your slicer, which is probably on a different PC, or which is on a PC, and then send it to your 3D printer. So we're going to go load. There's the spider. I haven't done anything. We're going to do this one, load coin, the sniz coin. That should be good. So we're just going to go front like that. And we're going to go to export.stl. We don't need to export colors because that doesn't matter. Export STL. Coin.stl. We're going to change the name. We're going to go SNI. Snizzy coin. Okay, and then we go to Dropbox settings, add, upload, create or upload file, upload files, snizzycoin.stl. I'm gonna have to hide some stuff. I don't want you guys to see my name. Gotta keep my secrecy. So it should be there. So then we're going to go over to the computer, I believe. Let's check this out. One upload complete. Snizzy coin, there it is. I will see you guys on the PC side later. All right, you guys, welcome to the PC. We're going to start off. We're going to open up Dropbox. We'll blame. I think this is the one. We are going to go snizzycoin.stl. We're going to open that up. Should pop up Ultimaker Cura. I'm using an old version just because I don't use the 3D printer very often. Sorry if you can hear the fan, but it's on. Deal with it. We're going to do that. We're going to open one of these. Take a guess. What is it? Anybody know? If you said a Mike's Hard Lemonade, you were correct. But anywho, we're going to cut to the opening part. And wha-chow, here we are, guys. What do you know? Just like that, with the power of video editing. Jeez, I have to edit my own voice here. We totally, what do we got? Rotation. That's what we want. We'll do that. See, I've been debating on how to actually do this, because this is going to need a lot of supports that way, and I'm not. Center it. Let's go. Let's see what that does. Huh? 75, 90. I think that might give us the oh, those. I'm gonna have so many problems with this thing. Can't do it like that. I wonder if I do that and that. No, I should have gone the other way. Let's stand it up. Maybe I'll cut all this out and just not bring it in. I don't want to do supports because they take forever. So, you know what? We're just going to gamble like this. We're going to get the head looking pretty good. The bottom is going to need a lot of supports. So, all right, we're going to go extra fast. We're going to go normal. We're going to keep the no brim. Wall thickness 1 millimeter. That's pretty good. Top, bottom. Speed, travel, support. Let's generate support. Touching build plate. 50. Let's go ahead. Let's move that to 55. Because for some reason my printer can actually do pretty well at weird things that it's not supposed to. And then we're going to slice this, see how long it takes. 7 hours. That's what it's going to say. Oh, 4 hours. Let's see, what time is it? 6:05. That'll be done at 10 o'clock. Be able to have the video out by 11:30, I'm thinking. I will see. Well, first we'll go save to removable drive. It's pretty simple. Then, you know, snizzy coin G code, eject it, and I will see you with the printer, guys. And here we are. Pardon the mess. We got this here. Put the card in here, maybe. This is harder to do one-handed than I thought. I think I did this last time one-handed. There we go, SD card inserted. We're gonna go select. We're not gonna do select. We're gonna change out filament real quick because I don't think that much black is gonna be able to do it. We're gonna print it in green. So give me a few moments. Dun 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 dun. Listen to that music. Ah, hope I don't get copy striked. Yeah. Swap that out. Pull you. Ugh. Oh no! Oh no! The video's all falling apart. Put this here. This over there. Okay, go there, bud. Go like that. There we go. And you there. Oh, don't do that to me. Gotta do this. This. Find the hole. Shove her in. That sounds terrible. Keep it G-rated. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on. This video is kind of just getting shot from the hip, by the way. Oh, I hope those headphones aren't so on. No, I turned them off. You see that right there? Yeah. Watch. I push in. Oh, that black is coming out. Oh no, I got a sneeze coming. It's the Rona. It's got me. Look at that. And pull. Not hot. Ouch. So, we're going to print from SD. TT Snizzy Coin. It's probably the wife wondering, who in the heck are you talking to? Have you lost it? I have lost. That thing is warm. Better get my hand out of here pretty quick. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, I was right, guys. Literally, she thinks I'm crazy. Might be true. But yeah, this is the 3D printing setup, you guys. Old spool holder back there. Don't print that one. We're trying out this one here. This is the Tivo Tarantula. She's an oldie. I think she's about 7 years old at this point, because 2014, 2015 is when I got her. I printed. There's that card thing back there. It's supposed to be a Christmas card. Got a bunch of benchies. There's an old fish plaque that was left here when we moved in. Some blocks. This is kind of my wall of everything. There's a cup. There's ABS. There's a project for that coming up. There's eSun PLA Plus. I actually really recommend this stuff. And I got more over here. We're not going to listen to that because it's just getting boring. Hatchbox 3D. Just regular PLA. That's orange. This is PLA Plus from Hatchbox. It's good. Okay, we'll get back here. We'll pull this little thing off. I'm sorry if I'm making anybody sick. Okay, right now it is doing the infill. So we are going to set this up for a time lapse. I will see you guys in a few hours. And the moment is here. It literally hot off the presses. I watched this thing finish. Try to pull it off. We're gonna move this back. I love this printing plate. This thing has been, oh, it's so much better. I used to have to do on glass here like this. I mean, oh, it was such a nightmare. Even though build tech, I love the stuff, but sometimes it was just insane to get off. This magnetic, literally just come here, go whoop, line her up as close as I think I can. There, we're good. Now I'm gonna have to remove all this. This is all support material, but look at that. A little bit of support material there. But I'll see you guys in just a minute. And the final reveal. Look at that. It's not too shabby for the, oh, what did I have it set for? I can't remember. Just a normal. This is a little dirty because I've been hacking away at this. The supports for this one, I've never gotten them dialed in. I've never had good luck with them. But this coin was not designed to be a supportless item. But there you go. There's the SNIS coin. So I'll see you guys in the next one.